Java JDK is required to develop and run many Java applications. In this video, let me show you how to download, install, and set up Java JDK on Windows 11. Before doing that, let's check whether Java is already installed on your computer or not. Open Command Prompt, type Java version check command, and hit Enter. When you see Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, it means Java is not installed on your computer. So let's download JDK first. Open any web browser on your computer and in search box, type Oracle Java and hit Enter. From results page, click on Java software from oracle.com. Then click on Download Java button. On this page, you will see several versions available for download. At the time of recording, the latest version is 26, so make sure the latest version tab is selected. And for Windows users, make sure Windows tab is selected. You will see a couple of installer options. Personally, I prefer MSI option, so that's the one I want to click on it. The installer will start downloading and will be saved to your computer. Once download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and find the installer file. Then double-click on it to launch the installation setup. When welcome screen appears, click on Next to continue. Default installation path is fine, so simply click on Next. The installation will begin. Just wait for the process to complete. When installation is complete, just click Close button. Now, we need to access the location where Java JDK is installed. So navigate to the C drive, go to Program Files, where you will find a Java folder. Open it, and then open JDK folder. Once you're in, open bin folder, then click on address bar at the top, and copy that path. Now go to Windows Search and type System Environment. Then edit the System Environment variables. Make sure Advanced tab is selected, then click on Environment Variables. Under System Variables section, find Path and double-click on it. Click New and paste the path we copied earlier. Then click OK and click OK again to close everything. Now, open Command Prompt again. Type version check command again and hit Enter. This time, Java version will be displayed, which means Java has been successfully installed and configured on your computer. So this is how you can install and set up Java JDK on a Windows 11 PC.